Good morning, friends. Happy Monday to all of you. There could be some huge changes to your monthly benefit payments. If you are a Social Security recipient, you could see a drastic increase very soon. Up to $200 may be sent out in additional crisis relief aid. Dear friends, please make sure you watch until the end of this video. I will be giving away a $75 Walmart gift card 4 days a week. If you would like to enter the giveaways, please make sure that you click and like several of my videos, and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. The more videos that you comment on, the greater your chance of winning the Walmart gift card giveaway. And friends, since I didn't announce a winner yesterday, I will be announcing 2 winners today. So please listen for the keywords and do stay tuned for that video.
But could also trigger a full-on recession. In February of 2021, for example, a prominent economist testified right here on Capitol Hill that Democrats' runaway spending might back the Federal Reserve into a corner. It might leave the Fed no choice but to sharply raise interest rates. And that would not just slow down our economic recovery, but potentially actually shift it into reverse. Sound familiar? That's exactly what's happened right before our eyes. Yesterday, a few days after the far worse than expected inflation report for the month of May, the Fed announced the biggest interest rate hike in 28 years, the biggest interest hike in 28 years. And they signal more increases may be on the deck soon. The Fed acted too slowly on the incorrect presumption that inflation would fade away. Now that that hasn't happened, they have to make up for lost time. The stock markets that carry America's retirement savings have been in free fall. The S&P 500 has lost a full 1/5 of its value in just 6 months. America's consumer confidence just nosedived to its lowest point ever recorded. Worse than at any point during the 2008 recession. Worse than the early panic over COVID.
Inflation not seen in 4 decades is taking a bite out of American household finances. None feel this more acutely than those who receive Social Security benefits. The shortfall, however, is not new and has been growing over several decades. But at the same time, though, if nothing is done in Congress, Social Security beneficiaries could see their monthly payments cut 13 years from now. A proposal by Democrats would address the issue for the recipients of Social Security benefits with a $200 monthly boost, while shoring up the program for the next 75 years. Democratic Representative Peter DeFazio from Oregon and Independent Senator Bernie Sanders from Vermont introduced the Social Security Expansion Act. Earlier this month, the Social Security Administration announced that the fund that pays for benefits will encounter shortfalls in 13 years, and that's if nothing is done to help the program. The bill would address the predicted shortfall that Social Security Trust Fund will have starting in 2035, when the Social Security Administration will no longer be able to pay the full benefits to recipients. According to Martha Sheehan, president of the National Association of Registered Social Security Analysts, if Congress doesn't shore up Social Security, benefits would be cut by about 20% in 13 years' time. Many seniors rely on Social Security for the majority, if not all, of their income, she told CBS News. Additionally, the bill would boost the monthly amount that recipients receive by at least $200, change the way that benefits are indexed annually, and put into place a mechanism to full fund the changes for the next 3/4 of a century. In 2022, the average monthly Social Security check is about $1,658, which is indexed annually to inflation. That was an increase of $93 on average over the previous year, after the cost of living adjustment increase of 5.9% for this year was implemented. However, inflation has been running at a faster clip than when the 2022 COLA was set last year, 8.6% in May alone, which is the fastest increase since December 1981. So friends, is a $200 increase to Social Security benefits sufficient? Please let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. President Biden recently made an announcement regarding rising inflation. The U.S. president said, Americans are really down after 2 years of a crisis and amid rising gasoline prices, but the economy is still in better shape than many think. In an interview with a news organization, Biden told the Associated Press that a recession is not unavoidable and there's zero evidence that the $1.9 trillion crisis relief package is the main reason prices are so high. President Biden said employment and wages have gone up under his watch, and people have less credit card debt, more money in their savings account, and more job satisfaction. He also pointed to recent reductions in the federal deficit. Some economists claim that the drop is largely due to the ending of expanded unemployment insurance and increased tax revenues from recent economic growth. But there are many polls that show that Americans are extremely worried about the economy and give President Biden weak marks for his leadership. A new USDA poll shows only 39% of Americans approve of the job that Biden is doing as a president. More than 7 in 10 people say that the United States is on the wrong track. Biden said most of the turmoil people are dealing with it as a consequence of the crisis. So asked about the political risks he now faces from high gas prices, President Biden said most households are just trying to figure out how to put food on the table. But as president, Biden stated he has to be willing to make tough decisions despite any political consequences. Friends, the key word for this video is Houston. If you would like to enter today's Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like several of my videos, and then comment below this keyword, which is Houston, and additional keywords in any video of mine that you watch. And do make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. And in a video later today, friends, I'll be announcing 2 winners. Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen recently acknowledged that the relief package's expanded child tax credit increased demand and might have caused a marginal increase in food prices. But President Biden rejected that possibility. Well, my amazing friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video. Thank you so very much for joining me here daily and watching my videos. Thank you so much, friends, and have a wonderful and blessed Monday.